a minor fix here. Hopefully you noticed that currently the way we have the script, if you look at it on your phone, you can open the info bubble and you can tap the links and you can close the info bubble. But you'll notice that you can't open it again until after you've clicked a different picture. And the problem is with this binding over here for touch end. We have to remove this binding after we're done with it. So that's easily done with this image.off method here. So that'll actually remove the binding from that, and it'll only get added back on again when this thing is triggered again. So that will actually solve everything and make it all work and make it work well for us. So let's go over and just fix that really quickly in the code over here. So down here, it's this touch end that's causing the problem right here. So I'm just going to add the image.off. That was kind of a tricky little one to track down and figure out exactly how to get that to work. But the solution's pretty elegant. We just remove that event listener so that because that way then it'll all work out nicely. So you can go and try that by, again, once you've added that in there, by going back to use the QR code, or go back to the link here on my website to see it actually working. Again, this version is, I'm looking at here on the desktop, so it's not actually using any of this touch stuff. But if you look at it on your phone, you'll actually see how that actually works. And this is kind of a fun little script and a great little sort of interface element here. But I think it's really great to sort of be instructive about some of the issues around using touch with mobile, touch on mobile with what would be mouse over or hover on desktop. And if you're trying to do something like this, chances are you're not going to be able to use the :hover pseudo class in CSS. You're going to have to dump that entirely and go with a script like this that's going to split out, handling mouse over for the desktop and touch for mobile. Otherwise, you're going to run into problems for mobile pretty much all the time. So hopefully that was fun and interesting, and you got kind of the right result there.